Welcome to another edition of Azure Every Day. My name is Leslie Andrews, and I'm a consultant at 3Cloud. I am a speaker and a certified data engineer, and I'm here to talk to you about Azure Purview, one of the newest additions to the Azure services. Purview is Azure's data governance tool, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and then tell you what I think is its coolest feature, the data lineage view. So what is Purview? It is a unified data governance service currently in preview that lets you easily create a map of your data landscape. Here is a view of a fictional data map. We can see that there are data centers, and we can group our data sources together. We can add all kinds of different sources: SQL servers, Teradata, Hive Metastore, SAP, Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, Amazon S3, Azure SQL databases, blob storage, Power BI, web logs, Azure files, and the list is growing every day. We can get new sources. It also allows for classifications of sensitive data. Here's a sample of the built-in system classifications. If you happen to store bank routing numbers, well, Purview already knows what that is and how it should be formatted. You can apply this classification to that field in the data map. You can also create custom classifications. For instance, I previously worked at a police department and could totally see having a classification for the computer-aided dispatch numbers and case numbers. And almost every organization has a custom employee ID. You can create those and find them in multiple systems by using the automated data discovery process. Purview creates a catalog that's easily searchable by your business users. They can enter in a term, and the interface shows matches, suggestions for different assets, and places that they can find the term that they're looking for. But the coolest thing, I think, is the data lineage. This is an example of a Power BI dashboard named Campaign Analytics. And if we start at the end at the dashboard and work our way back, we can see that there are two visualizations: campaign revenue and digital campaigns. We can see that those come from a data set that's embedded in the Power BI workspace, which we can tell because it's delimited by this dotted line that encompasses these components. Both of these data sets come from some final data that had a prep and transform associated to it. And those come from these 5 different data sources. And being able to show someone where the data comes from, what happens to it, and where it ends up and gets used is huge in helping our users understand the complexity of the data. If you have heard me talk before, I am a strong proponent of data governance. It is one of the most foundational activities an organization can take to increase its data literacy and IQ. However, so few organizations do it because it seems like such a huge undertaking. That's why Purview is so exciting. It is a way to easily start something that shows immediate value to the stakeholders in the organization. Thank you for joining me for this Azure Everyday video on Purview. I hope you are just as excited as I am that you can easily start cataloging your data right now. Go check out the Purview preview at portal.azure.com. If you want to discuss Purview or have questions on Azure or the Power Platform, click the link below for more information, call or email, and we will be happy to discuss it further with you. Thanks!